So we're going to be upgrading the coils on the Nissan Titan again. These are an Audi Volkswagen coil pack, and they use an adapter to fit in the Titan. I had installed the Z1 off-road coils and that didn't go so well. I'll put a link to a video on what happened with those. I'm currently running the OEM coils again, and they've been working good for 100,000 kilometers. But I want to try these out. These are NGK, and they are the recommended manufacturer of these type of coils. They come with the dielectric grease installed, and they are a very heavy coil, even compared to the OEM Nissan ones. All metal design, and you can feel that there's quite a bit of copper or windings in the head there. These are the coil adapters that you can purchase from Performance Racing. I can't remember the cost exactly, but if you purchase these coil packs from Rock Auto, it works out to be slightly less than the OEM coils, and also cheaper than the Z1 off-road coils. So don't forget to also find and use a Rock Auto discount when you order these. That's where I purchased mine from. Your adapter. Just clips on there, and these install in place of the OEM coils. And I will be doing at some point a dyno comparison of the OEM, the Z1 off-road, and these coils, and see if there's any difference in power. So we'll go to the truck and throw them in. On down the road, we'll also have a review of these coil packs and the results of a dyno test to see if they are worth the upgrade. To install the new coils in the truck, you gotta undo the coil wire clip. They come off pretty easily. Then you're gonna want a 10mm ratchet, and on that bolt there. That. Now your 10mm bolt, you can reinsert that back into the valve cover or save them, because you do not need them with the new coils. And we can grab our OEM coil, give that a pull. These are a Hanshin brand. There may be other OEM brands, but these are the OEM coils. Take our new coil, insert it. And we may have to orient it a little bit differently. Get a harness to line up. Okay, push it down all the way. It will seat itself. And we can alright. And yeah, that's all it takes. And then repeat that on all 8, and you've got a coil upgrade done.